Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your clipboard data on your Windows 11. Now, the process is actually quite simple. All you need to do is head over to your Start menu, and on the Start menu you can find the option settings. If not, you can always search from the search bar on the screen. Now go to settings, and once on settings you'll get a list of options here on the left side of the screen. Now make sure you are on the System tab, and once on System, scroll down below and here you'll find the Clipboard option. Now click on Clipboard, and here you'll find the multiple options of clipboard history, whether to turn it on or off, whether to sync across your devices, and here on the third you can find clear clipboard data option. Now if you have any clipboard data, you can just clear it always from here. As you can see the clear option on the right hand side of the screen, you can read it here: pinned items won't be removed on this device. So this way you can clear your clipboard data on Windows 11. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.